Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journeys to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know, you're already part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It is what's free 99. It costs you nothing to hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, or make sure your notification bells are turned on. I mean zero. So today we'll be closing out our paycheck of February, our first paycheck of February, because our second paycheck of February is here. And we'll be, of course, allocating that on another video. But let's get going. All right, y'all, let's go. If you see, the camera is here. If you see me looking here, my screen is here. So please don't think that I am purposely ignoring you. That is not what's going on. So here is our first paycheck of February. We had got 3 cents in interest. Our main check was $15.69.27, leaving a total of $16.39.30. 15.69.27, 3 cents interest, giving us a total of $1,569.30 to work with. Let's see here. So the way that mine works is that let me move this over a little bit. Everything in blue means that it was an automatic payment that I'm waiting to come out. Everything in green is something that already cleared. Everything in a peachy color is something that's waiting to clear, and that's it. So our goal here is to make everything bright green, knowing that everything cleared the bank. So let's start with, where was our first payment? So that was our last check on the 8th. We moved some money to mortgage. These are money we moved over our State Farm. I think we already marked it green. That went through. The Nissan payment for $233.50 is here. So as you can see, it came out of the bank. So we'll go ahead and move my face so I can find my thing. And we'll mark that in bright green. So that came out. $70.67 for the student loan also came out. So we're doing good here. We paid $30 to Capital One. I think we had already said that already. Did we? Credit card would be under debt. We did not. So let me put 30 just to be clear. And then we should also put that we got in 30, I believe. That was not from rollover to transfer. That was miscellaneous. And that would have been 30. That $30, if you remember from last time, I got 20 from one coworker and 10 from another to go towards a gift card. And then we actually sent the money over to pay the credit card. So we'll mark that in green. Hopefully I didn't do anything wrong and it will all equal out. This is 30. Okay. And here's like one of the $10, and here is the $20. There's the $30 I'm talking about, you guys. Just want to make sure you guys are with me. All right, and then we have those and 150.21 we talked about already. We already cleared it. It's car insurance. It's $95 for Georgia Power, which was automatic. Or I think we went and paid it. $95 power. We had already said it cleared. All right. Okay, and then there's the other $10 from the other person. Remember, about a $50 gift card. 20 from one, 10 from one, 10 from one, and 10 from me. So $10 for this other gift card. I was given another $10, so we'll add another $10 to this total. Okay, and then this household was $35.60. Why did we put that in here? Filters. Okay, so this one to pay the credit card. So I deposited these monies here from health and bulk buy and emergency fund to play the filter. And here's the $85. I guess we can go ahead and add them in just so everything adds up properly. So I don't know why this thing is this huge. Please. Okay. So we have $35.60 plus $32.48 plus $17.31. That was $85.39. So we deposited from transfers $85.39. And these were things to cover credit card charges. But then we also had $20 that we paid $20 to the credit card. What that was the $10 from the other person and then my $10, which I basically just took out of our buffer. So we're going to say that we paid another $20 to the credit card, which is a total of $50, which is exactly what the I didn't put an equal sign, is exactly what the gift card was. So we paid $50. I hope everybody's following along with me. And then we have $20. We talked about that. And then we have $43.08, which was the automatic payment for the where is it? For the water bill? There it is. $43.08. And we'll go ahead and mark that green because it did come out. And thankfully, y'all, they did not charge any other fees. So it just needs to come directly out of the checking account and not the debit card in order not to be charged fees. So amazing. And as you'll see here, $85.39, just like the $85.39 I was put in, $85.39 was paid to the credit card. So let's go ahead and add that to the credit card payment as well. So plus $85.39. Okay. And we also had money transferred out of the emergency fund to help the person again. And this time I talked to them in their face. I was like, hey, this cannot keep happening. But you ever talk to somebody about like blending the money and borrowing money? And I haven't got it back yet, but I think they said Friday. But they're just saying, okay, I get it. I understand. But I don't think, when you think this person, and I love them, they're not going to understand until you say no. So the next time they ask me, I'm like, I don't have it. It's going to be hard. But I think that is what I'm going to do. I'm like, I'm sorry, I don't have it because I cannot be this is my emergency fund. You really need to have your emergency fund. Okay. But I did speak to them just in case anyone was wondering. Okay, and then we have our $10 here for Planet Fitness, which is the gym, which I need to get back to. It was also another automatic payment. So it's now green. And then we have $130. So I moved $130 out of members only because remember we had talked about, or if you're new here, we've talked about like opening up an Ally bank account. And you guys are probably going to see that video today. I think it's scheduled for 7 p.m. this evening on Thursday, the 22nd, 2/22/24 on the 22nd. And it's me opening up an Ally bank account. And I thought they said it was going to take 3 days for the money to go over. But from what I can see, it looks like the money went here. So I moved the money over because I really am interested to pay with buckets. I'm so excited. Thank you again, Sabrina Budgets, for sending me your link. And I'm moving that money. I moved that money over, and that's what that is. So I moved from there out. So let me add that money, and I'm excited because I'll do another video to like figure out how to use the buckets and create our buckets. Just if anybody is interested, like I was, but you're like, you see people talking about it, you're like, how do I set this up? Because I didn't know. And so $130 is going in. That was transferred. So in my transfer category, I'm going to add $130. And I'm going to actually leave myself some notes because y'all know your girl will not remember. So $130 was for to open Ally Bank savings account to make buckets. I'm so excited. I'm such a geek when it comes to like budgeting. Things like that actually make me happy. And so then we had $80 that came out of Comcast, and here it is. That was an automatic payment as well. It came out like 2 days later. I'm like, it came out, but it didn't actually come out till today. And then we have our check, which we'll deal with later. And actually the Ally Bank money came out again. So we'll go ahead and clear the Ally Bank money, which I really need to have it other. I think I have other. Here's other, and then we'll do $130, and that's going to be notes, of course, so we know what happened. Money moved to Ally Bank to open membership buckets. savings account. Perfect. Okay, so we know what's going on there. Now, I do see something that's not green. So let me make that green also, because that did clear the bank. Hold. Excuse me, guys. I'm so sorry. My allergies are acting crazy. So if I keep like sniffling, I apologize. I'm so sorry. I'm not doing it on purpose. You know, spring is on the way, honey. Spring is on the way. So everything is green. Except this right here, 2714. Technically it is the 22nd and it's supposed to come out today. It will actually be charged to the credit card. Is it charged to the credit card? Hold on. No, it hasn't been charged to the credit card yet. The only charge there is that beauty thing we talked about before. So no. So it should be charged to the credit card today. Do y'all see this? Let's talk about this real quick. We're gonna talk about it in the credit card video, but I'm ticked because I bought my mirror and my Amazon things, my mirror and my devotional book for $30.50 from Amazon. And I put a gift card in there thinking I could use my gift card and it would clear because my gift card has more than 35th. It did not. And it went through like it did, but it ended up charging my card anyway, which upsets me. I mean, I do have an account that has like treat yourself money, but I wanted to use my gift card. And I think there's $50 in there, which is what I'm going to use to clear that. There it is. I'm going to use that to clear that credit card, but that aggravates me because I'm like, I could have used my gift card. Well, I should have been able to use my gift card. Anyway, that's neither here nor there. Let's get back to our account. So we have, where are we? We are going to move this. So we're going to, it says negative 10. Oh, let me move out the buffer. I'm like, negative 10, baby. Okay. So right now, it says we have a balance of 1059. Technically, this is going to be moved to next week because that didn't clear. So I'm going to make it a 0 here. I'm going to do 2714 here. I'm moving over my 2714 to this next paycheck because it didn't technically clear on this paycheck. I will just reset this. Where's reset? Reset this. I'm going to add that we had 20, because now I'm saying negative. We're going to roll over $27.14 to this next week. And then everything should be green. And it says we have $37.73 left right here. Okay. So let's see if that equals what we have. So we have a check for 1644.29 minus, because what we have is a check. There's the one thing we have not allocated or even wrote in this budget. That minus 168202 should be what we have left in our buffer. 168202 is 3773. Come on, girl. Because when a plan comes together, fam, we're happy about it. Okay. So we have 3773. Technically, because this 3773 includes this $27 and 14 cents. Is that right? Yeah, the 2714, which needs to stay. So that's actually really what we have left is $10.59, which makes sense because our buffer was $20.59. If you remember, I used $10 to go towards the gift card that I bought for, it was a gift card. The Etsy gift card that we bought for our boss whose cat had passed away. So then I had $10.59 left. So this is perfect. This is exactly what we're supposed to have. So what am I going to do with this $10.59 though? So I believe what we had decided was that if we had $10.59 left, we were going to put it towards memberships again to completely close off, to finish out the Kind Master membership. So in this case, ooh, the thing is, I don't know that I have the Ally Bank account set up because I should transfer that to the Ally Bank account, but I don't have the Ally Bank set up yet in my account options. So for now, until we get the whole Ally Bank thing set up, what I will do is I'll just move it to membership, okay? And so I'm going to transfer our $10.59 from here, from where we're at, girl. And we're going to transfer it to memberships, members only, and we're going to transfer our $10.59. Yeah, our $10.59, and we're going to say this is for the Kind Master because that's what we're working on, y'all. I literally transfer. Let me just finish what I'm doing. Success, $10.59 was transferred. What I'm doing and what I'm calling it now is called a sinking fund snowball. I'm doing a sinking fund snowball, and I should do a quick short on this. It's basically where you take one of your smallest to largest kind of sinking funds that have finite amounts, like my memberships do, and I work on putting extra money to each of those as I go. And then whatever money was going to that one, once it's closed out, will go to the next biggest. If you know about the snowball method for debt payment, it's the same thing just for sinking funds. I feel like it's a vibe. I'm loving it. So that hasn't moved. So technically what I'm going to do now is here where it says membership or Kind Master, I'm going to put that I put an additional $10 and some odd cents. Shall $10 and what's the history? Can I see the history? Disrespect. I just look. $10.59. So $20.59 went to that. And then we should only have $27.14 left. $27.14 in the balance, which makes sense. And the $27.14 is going to go here because we actually rolled it over for the next paycheck. And guess what, y'all? We're at a what? Zero-based budget. Everything works out. The money is correct. And we have $0. We have $0. Yep. That's right. We did that. And if you take 167,143 and subtract it from $27.14, you'll get the exact amount that the check was, which was $1644.29. So I know that we're good to go in this account. Yay! All right, guys, we did it. That is the closeout of our paycheck number 1 of February for 2024. So glad that worked out. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it and you made it this far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Okay, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave me a comment. I like to talk to you. Let me know how your budget is going for February. Did you do frugal February? Are you doing that? Anything different you're doing in February I should know about? Hit me up. How's everything going? All right, thanks for watching. Remember, order to be great, you have to be grateful. And I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. And remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, Bye. Cheers. Love you, mean it. Bye.